Hey everyone, welcome to Cyber-Theo. Today, I'll show you how to set up and use Apple CarPlay quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, make sure your car supports Apple CarPlay. Then, connect your iPhone to your car using a USB cable. Some cars also support wireless CarPlay. On your iPhone, you may see a prompt asking if you want to enable CarPlay. Tap Allow to proceed. Your car's infotainment system should now display the CarPlay interface. You'll see a familiar home screen with app icons like Phone, Messages, Maps, and Music. Use the touchscreen, your car's controls, or voice commands to navigate CarPlay. Press and hold the voice control button on your steering wheel to activate Siri. To customize your CarPlay experience, go to Settings, General CarPlay on your iPhone. You can rearrange apps and set preferences from here. And that's it. You've successfully set up and started using Apple CarPlay. For more quick tech tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cyber-Theo.